It is absolutely freezing. Forward corner parachute. Those seats are absolutely hanging. Decent nick. Super slammed. Been primered. Check out the wide body Mark 1 Golf. Ah, fancy seeing you two here.
Unusual.
It's Saturday the 4th of January 2025 and it is absolutely freezing. We've come to Brooklands Museum today to attend an event that was due to be held on New Year's Day. I am of course talking about the legendary New Year's Day gathering here at Brooklands. Now we had some really stormy weather over the New Year, which is why Brooklands have postponed the New Year gathering this year until today, the 4th of January. If you haven't already, please do click the like button now because it's a massive help. If you're new to the channel, click subscribe now and welcome. I'm Marcus Hayes and today we're going to check out the Brooklands New Year's gathering. Now, I'm actually here today with my beautiful girlfriend Kat and my dad Steve, aka Picasso the painter, but I've actually run off and left them so I can focus on waving my camera at the cars that are here before people start going home. Now I hope you can hear me properly because I forgot the wire for my microphone. Stumbled across a really interesting forward corner over here. Check out the 1300 XL Mark 1 Escort Estate, and also check out that number plate. Not sure if that's an actual personalised plate or whether it's just a show plate, but yeah, love a long roof Mark 1. And behind that, a really cool yellow Mark 2 Escort Mexico sitting on mini light style rims, and this thing's actually for sale. Give them a bell if you're in the market. Check out the really tasty Mustang next to the Mexico with its huge V8 lump in the bay, of course. But in front of that, we've got what I'm assuming is an old Model T. Do correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. But yeah, check out all the brass fixings around it, the brass mascot on the front. It's got a really cool sort of airbrushed lady design on the bonnet. Of course, this thing has got a V8 lump in it, and check out this little bung that you can obviously remove to make the exhaust super loud rather than having it run down the rest of the length of the exhaust. Yeah, what a cool thing. Give you a nosy at the interior. Check out all the material on the inside of the doors and inside of the cockpit. Really cool sort of sticker bomb effect dash, and yeah, really cool leather brown seat in it. This thing's pucker. Really cool old Ford hot rod thing. And yeah, look, what's going on here? Is that a parachute? Check out the 105E Anglia. I think they look so cool in this colour with the white roof. Got the grille removed. And check out the interior. I'm not sure what seats they are, but yeah, look pretty cool. Alloy door cards, and I can see a huge rev counter, which makes me wonder what lump is in the bay. And next to that, a really cool Mark II Golf that looks like it's been done up to be a bit of a rally car. Loving the carbon bonnet on it. Check out the 5-spoke Revolution rims. Pretty big brakes hiding behind there as well. Rally style mud flaps, plastic windows with the sliders. Inside I can see it's got a proper cage with the gussets into the A-pillars. Looks like it's got a sequential gearbox in there and a fly-off handbrake. Some Corbu bucket seats. I know it's hard for you guys to see, but yeah, really cool Mark II Golf. And next to that, a cheeky Beetle. Plenty of them at this event. Really cool V8 MGB GT sitting over here. But next to that, a really raced up MGC. Looks really cool, black with all the pink bits around it. And check out the huge straight 6 lump in the bay, running on what I think are twin SU carbs. But yeah, loving all the pink colour coding, all the brackets around it and stuff. Yeah, crazy looking MGC. Absolutely loving this really ratty VW camper, and check out the really cool yellow tints in it. Those seats are absolutely hanging, but that just adds to the rat look of this thing. Let's get a shot from the rear. Really mad looking exhausts on it, and got a ladder going up to the roof rack. Yeah, love a rat look VW camper. Next to that, we've got a beige Mordor Mark II Escort. Nice and standard, just how my beige Mordor Mark II Escort was going to be before I changed my mind. But yeah, this thing's looking in really decent nick. Well, here's a couple of absolute legends. Honda NSX, loving the NSX plate on it as well. And then next to that, a Lancia Delta Integrale. Oh, and a cheeky Zodiac sitting over here. Really cool Mark I Escort sitting over here. Looks awesome in orange, sitting on really wide mini light style rims. And in the engine bay we've got a Pinto lump, but it's running on Gen V throttle bodies. Loving the Simpson exhaust manifold as well. Check out the quite standard looking interior. Check out this super slammed Austin. Guessing it's sitting on air. So yeah, we've come over to this bit, which is part of the old F1 track years and years ago. Proper banked circuit. And what have we got over here? A Mark II Escort X-Pack, which is mid-build, as you can see. Got the early style grille with the FORD, sitting on what I think are the 7.5-inch J 4-spoke RS rims. Yeah, you can see the body shell has been primered and it's in guide coat. Just the one Recaro in there. I think that will be from a Sierra Cosworth or maybe an RS Turbo Escort or something like that. Got the 4-spoke RS steering wheel on there. But yeah, love an X-Pack Mark II. I wonder what colour this thing's going to be painted. We've got a midnight blue boot lid and what looks like, yeah, midnight blue or black bonnet as well. Love an X-Pack. Oh well, time has flown. It's actually gone 12 o'clock and loads of people seem to be leaving. Check out the wide body Mark I Golf. Really cool. A couple of Cortinas rolling out. Mark I and Mark V. And off goes the wide arch Mini that I waved my camera at earlier. Love that. Just found an old Sirocco sitting over here out of the way. It's a proper Sirocco, not to be confused by the modern Siroccos, which are just glorified Golfs. Ah, fancy seeing you two here.
Unusual.
Checking out the Rolls Royces, which are sitting underneath the old Concorde. Yeah, there's actually a few planes here that you can go on and have a look inside. It's the only way you'll be catching me ever getting on an aeroplane. All right, well, that concludes our day out at Brooklands Museum for the New Year's Gathering 2025. Really wide variety of cars on display as usual, despite the really cold weather. Huge thanks to all the organisers. Massive shout out to everyone who came over and said hello to me. Now it's time for us to jump back in Lenny, the Focus, who actually got a wash yesterday. Is that the second time you've washed this thing since you bought it almost a year ago?
Probably, yeah.
Yeah. Neglected old banger. Thankfully he does have a really decent heater and heated front seats. So I'm going to end this video here. Massive thanks as always to everyone who's tuned in. If you thought it was any good, please do give it a thumbs up and a share. If you didn't, feel free to give it a thumbs down. Check the links in the description to follow me on Facebook, TikTok and Instagram. I'll leave my email address down there for anyone who wants to contact me, as well as a link to my own website and the Petrolhead Style website. Definitely go and check out both of those websites. Huge thanks as always to my patrons for your ongoing support. But other than that, until next time, from me, my woman and my father, thanks for watching.